Here we are, Thanksgiving Day. We're gonna put a turkey in the pizza oven, an L for Nino pizza oven. So first thing is, we're gonna be using almond wood today. We're gonna do almond wood. And we're gonna put this on, we're gonna get it lit. A few of these. The plan is to use almond wood, fill it all the way up. So we fill it up as much as possible because we got to keep this thing burning and light it up. And then we'll come back in a little bit once it's all burnt and check its temperature. So we're getting the bird ready. We took it out of the overnight brining and bringing it to room temperature, putting it on a small grill so it'll fit in the pizza oven. It's looking good. The pizza oven is warming up. Do it.
So I use Curtis Stone's Cajun turkey recipe. You mix a dry rub, which is paprika, cayenne, oregano, thyme, garlic, onion powder, and you mix it with butter and you baste it, and this really helps give the bird that golden color too, which is awesome.
All right, so we're about to put it in. It's been about an hour and a half breaking down the coals. The floor is around 820. Roof's about 900, but going down pretty quickly. We're gonna put it in for 20 minutes and brown it.
Get it seared.
Everybody.
So we smelled it and pulled it out about 12 minutes later. A little warm. Probably recommend bringing it down to 800, not in the mid 800s, but still looking great. We're gonna rebase this bad boy, bring it down to a little below 600 degrees, and put it in for the next 3 to 4 hours. Let the basting commence. Yummy. So we stuck the probe deep in the breast. We got this handy dandy iGrill probe that works with your cell phone. We're gonna cover the bird, and then we're gonna put it in the pizza oven. All right, we're about to put the bird in. Floor is about, 530. The roof, depending on where it is, anywhere from the low 6s to the mid 6s. We're gonna put it in for about 3.5 hours and check on it. All right, about to pull it off. The top is
great.
Actually, the top is 385. And the floor is 255. It's been on for, 3 hours, 20 minutes. I guess everybody's really, really hungry, so we're gonna pull it off.
Let's go, people!
And pull it out, so.
Spike Lee angles.
Casey has just made the first cut in this year's bird. This is Claire Bow, the cook. Claire Bow's cooking show! Casey has now made the second cut into this year's bird.
Delicious, by the way.
Wow. Would you look at that? Look at that color. Oh my god.
Turkey looks beautiful.
Oh my goodness.